How to save favorite places in Google Maps. So hello guys, if you want to save places in Google Map, how you guys can do that? So it was very easy. For that we will simply go to Google Maps app. Once you click here you guys will see whole world map. So for saving places, you need to search for the place that you want to save. So for example, I will search for Tower of London. Once you search for that place, here you guys will see direction, tickets. Also on top, you guys will see share option and that icon. So simply click on that icon. Once you click on that icon, here it will say favorites. Also add note about this place in the favorite list. You can, if you want, you can add a note about it. And after that, you guys will see on top right corner done option. So simply click on done. Once you click on done, your that place will be saved in favorite, and you guys can see it in you option. Once you open map, you guys will simply click on you. So once you click on you, here you guys will see that place. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.